there. So I step on a while ago, you know, I nearly blood clot. You can't do that, then.
Wallace.
Come on. Come on. Just see that, tell us, look how much you nearly lose all your life. You could get all your cool wife. Blood clot. That's true. Shoot back up to me. Come on, Pastor man, I'll stop. I you afraid, that's why. Put in your blood class to pass and come Pastor come stay so back. That's so not, brother. That's so not him. Nah man, that's good man. He good there so now. You don't have to ask him to fix nothing for you. See him some man. I tell him make you flick chase to them on the part there. Come on, Pastor man. I'm going to watch our view. Boom, boom, club, boy, and breeze. So me as a teach. And view ya man, a millions of dollars for them view, you see it. Chow man. They up on the work, you see it. Rope tie up on me, you see it. But club me, you step through the zinc, you see it. I don't panic on the way, you see it. Pull up on the rope, you see it. But club, Nick 9. So yeah, safety. Look what go on. Blood clot drop that. Now sit down there. Oh, fuck that. Fuck you man, you know. Oh, fuck you man, you know. They are go and chill, see me upon the road. Don't it fire them.
I lie.
No lie.
I am a Fredite, you fuck what, you know?
There's a Fred Heights.
I mean,
But them, right now, hear me say, Dimitris no smoking Fred Heights. Right now, me want to know that's clear. Yes, G. Right now, this, you know. No? Peace, Reese, and Peace.
Mr. One.